6.5 hours.
Okay, I pulled it up. Thank you so much. Yeah.
lot of that. Oh,
Nice seeing you all here today. My name is Nancy Wangwo, and I'm excited to be your MC once again for the TAW and Tibetan Language and Culture School's annual fundraising dinner.
아, 그런 게 이제 따뜻 둥둥둥 쇼라스라야. 다 이제 양강 철학이도 가져오다. 빌라에 저런 뭐. 아.
김이 킬러버스.
김이도 해하고 통제 걸래. 아.
약간 좀 라이드 발레르인데 갑자기 간다 저거죠.
알래.
Fight like a hot pig.
달인된 기 제목이 MC. 창문으로 달인 대표보다 힐링 답변에 투신하시기.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last
All Tibetans know that no celebration truly begins without the Dashi Shokwa, a dance that brings blessings and joy to any occasion. With every step and every twirl, they honor the great Pungtung Gyalpo, sharing blessings of peace and prosperity. Please give a big round of applause and a warm welcome to our amazing TLCS students as they perform the Dashi Shokwa, the auspicious opening dance of Tibetan opera.
게다 메나 조아 미남 손에 제 미롱 제 갱규 나기요 달린 워싱턴 브리지든 속에 홀기 쇠되나 페벌 가수 창만 슈비니 해남에 냠슈 대딩한 수지속이 또 슈당 튠지 제 청기요 Hello, things that define who we are. It is more than a building. It is a home for our heritage and a beacon.
It must be acted upon. And Namagil and her staff and the board did what they had to do for the community and for their culture. But what I wanted to say today that's very important is this. And she said it, and I was thinking of it the whole time I was here and watching the youth do it. This investment and your support is not about just now. It's about the culture for the future. It's about making sure that your culture and the things that you represent are passed down, not just as something as a gift, but something as a treasure to the future of what is going to be in the children that you have. It is important that every community represents itself. And the building that you have is more than just a building. As we walk through there, I told Abigail that
two terms in the past prior to Dr. Shugila's reign term as the president. So, okay. On behalf of TAW, I really warmly welcome our chief guest.
근데 시주 셰프시바 아니 야 친구 마소디 아니 그 슈마로 제부터 먼저 참내기 참지다 제시되는 목소리 안티 가지고 지랍 친구 레슨부터 알아
셰르라 야치베로나. All right, so we're going to move on to the next program. Please enjoy the performance that we're going to have. And also, I'm sure you're all looking forward to actively participating in the live auction. All the contribution to us, the grant. All the parts is our grant writer. Thank you, Malcolm.
As you heard, my name is Manka Tigra. I'm the Deputy Majority Leader of the Washington State Senate. And it is such a pleasure for me to be here. I've been here before, and I have to tell you, I was so proud last time to announce the grant.
And their parents, collaborating and showing their shared love and dedication to preserving our culture and traditions. It's truly inspiring to see parents and children come together. This performance reminds us that our heritage is strongest when it's passed down through family with love, pride, and joy. Please give them your warmest applause as they take the stage.
단다 디 최신가 샤요데 디 최신가 디 워데는 주기 seed money 단다 seed money 난 여기 돌랑하게 나데 디 첸도데 참로 디 seed 자와이디 시송친 디체 아니 로 다와레라 도레 자가 프리메 로니르나 켈레 시메트도 아니 그자 디 trunk 데라 pledge naming to someone names as a day. And Loma Red and Alta to D or 2026 will be able to complete the renovation.
I can explain it. So I think hopefully many of you have seen the space. As was mentioned, it's a spa. It's very disjointed, lots of separate rooms, and to make a community center, you need open space and you need rooms for people to gather. So what we're seeing here is the first floor, and this is just a very early plan showing a large open gathering space which can be used for worship. So you can see the stage over on the right side of the screen, and what's missing is the altar. You can kind of see that square over on the side, and then kitchenette and bathroom. So this main floor is going to be mostly used for gathering. And if you can go to the next slide, please. And then the second floor will be, is already being used for the Sunday classes for children, and hopefully one of the goals eventually is to expand to for language classes for adults as well. So you can see in the middle, lunch seating and an area for folks to gather and eat, as well as some more language classrooms around this sides of the space, and then an office rental area. And I think that's it.
Enough space, and I would like to bring up Amber French from eWorks to elaborate more on the renovation plan that we have.
Thank you. Are you able to zoom out on the slide? There's something graphically that's not quite working out. Environmental Works Community Design Center, and I just want to say how honored we are to have been part of this visioning even years ago when you all were still looking for a building, and we're so happy that you have acquired this space.
We have acquired the property. It is, can you bring up the slide, please?
And the first one from the Milo was Brian and Pema Chamasam. So thank you guys. Have a lovely evening. 750? Was it 750? Yep.
민병합주요, 민병합주. 성이 민병합주로.
700, I think you're at 700. 700, 750, anybody? You're at 700?
750 अरे हमारे इंडिया में बोले बहुत प्यार करता हूँ यार चुपके रहता है बोलना है 750 last 750
700. So we're at 700 right now, number 6, right? So 700 going once.
700.
700 going twice.
2.
700 sold to number 6. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Oh, sorry, yes. Thank you. We'd like to thank everybody that donated to the live auction. So we have a handful, you'll notice in the bottom of each slide, all the donors of all of our wonderful prizes today. So today's, the Seattle Staycation was Estila, TK, Benjalan, Chimila. Go back, sorry. This is obviously 335, 350, 87, 400, number 25, 450. 450, number 40, 500, 500, number 91, 550, 550, number 25, 600, 600, number 6, thank you, 650, 600, going once, 650, number 40, here we go. His total value is $850. Okay. All right, now our last item for our live auction. All right, Love in the Emerald City, Valentine's Day Staycation. If you've ever gotten in trouble for not planning anything for Valentine's Day, you're looking for an easy way out there. So we're really excited and feel very lucky to have these here. The value, again, they're not available. We had to put a number on it, but the value we put on is $500, and the starting bid for this is $150. $150, number 7, thank you. 200. 200, number 92, thank you. 250, number 7. 300, number 25. 325, number 24. Is there a 375? 375, number 44. 425, 425, number 24. Is there 475? 475, number 25. 500, number 44. 500, number 44. 525. 525, number 24. Is there 550? 550, number 44. 550, number 44. 575. 575, number 86. Where was I? 575. 600. 600. 600, number 25. 625. 625, number 44. 650. 650, number 86. 675. 675, number 44. 675. Starting the bid at 150.
진짜 중요한 대리 주시는 제에서 Seahawks Indianapolis 나이스도 어디 좀 제에서 따이네 Seahawks는 아주 지우려 있어도 일단 시작하기 전에 뭐 해요. 정말 다른 곳에 세우면 세상에서 anyways 제목에다 아주 아리나를 가면도 풋볼을 제가 라면서 오다 일단 나야도 풋볼 나온다. So anyways 이 부분은 쉽게 우주 공항에 모습으로 아니 Seahawks.
All right, got 150 here at number 7, right? 150 over there, 200. Oh, 200 and 250. 250, 29, 300. Oh, 300, number 88. 350, number 90. 400. 400, number 81. 450. 450, number 37. 500. 500 over there. I'm sorry, didn't see your number. 500, number 18. 525. 525, number 37. 550. You guys call yourself Seahawks fans? Come on. 550, number 18. 575. 575, number 37. 600.
600. 호자이.
600. 575. Going once. 575 going twice. 575 sold. Number 125, 87, 150. 150. All right, 125. Let's get it up a little bit.
다 추월하면 정말 고생이다 그러더라고요. 지금 제일 근데 when it comes to like the religion, then everybody seems
We're going
quiet.
straight to 200. Number 71's at 200. 250. 250. 200. All right. I'll let you go. 200.
이게 맞춤서.
All right, 200 for number 71.
변질.
All right, our next one. If you've been to any Tibetan event, you've probably met our wonderful photographer, Kurt Smith, who volunteers his time. He's actually, fun fact, also took pictures at my wedding 10 years ago. He cannot join us tonight, but this is a family portrait session with Kurt Smith. And it's an hour-long session, up to 6 people, a choice of location within the Seattle area, includes fully edited, high-resolution digital images. So we are starting the bid here, also at $100. So family portrait with Kurt Smith, starting at $100. All right, this one might be better. So the next slide. Okay. So we have obviously catered to this audience for this dinner. We have a blessing ceremony by Kimber Rinpoche, and I think it's basically experience a moment of profound peace and spiritual renewal with the private blessing ceremony, whether it's sorry, the wine bottle back there. That is a good sized bottle. I mean, really for a party of 4, I think, but that's so that is, we are going to start the bid for that at 75. The total value is 250. We're starting that at 75. Feel that. 75 here, number 69, 100. 100 for 40. 125, number 71. 150, number 25. 175. 175, number 40. 200, number 71. 225. 225, number 40. Can I get a 250? 250. Did you see that big bottle of wine? That's really like 6 people. 250. 250. Anyway, we've got the last bid at 25. 325.
325.
350. 350, number 44.
나 오줌에 깜빡이 들고 있었다.
375. 2 Kraken tickets. Great date. They're playing Minneapolis. 375. Number 14. 400. 375. 375 once. 375 twice. 375 sold to Malcolm. Number 14.
아니 내 강세포로 또 강세포로 가고 얘나 아니 내 보라기 고직 지하셔시고 아니 오늘 되셔.
Okay, I think the last was 150. Oh, 200.
Yeah.
Number 86, 200. Can I get 225? 225, number 68. 250.
68 200 18회. 가래 한번 물어보고 그래도다. Looks like everybody looks like move on.
Come on.
가자 가라 팀에서 왜? 가라 생겼어.
225.
지금 왜 보고? 가래 가라나 개물면 가라고 누구다 나오냐. 저거도 뭐라고? 오케이, 스탑.
225 once, 225 twice, 225 number 68.
So to yeah. Thank you.
All right, our next prize, or next auction item. Next, please.
제마디.
Release the Kraken. So we've got experience and thrill of NHL hockey with 200, number 44, 225.
225 이제. 토스 나옵니다.
और
पहली बार उसको बुलाया मैंने कितनी बार आया नहीं चल रहा एक भी बार तोते तोते हो गया दिल तोते तोते हो गया तोते तोते हो गया दिल तोते तोते हो गया तोते हो गया Hans Rajda Diroy Shweda Shidi and
시당다 기회 고당도 혼주 시대 가라
Aki lade halade beach bazaar tere कर रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है
Exactly, that's why I said that.
Oh, here we go, roasted vegetables. Yes.
It's roasted, but right now
This is.
Oh, it's good.
Through 15. We're just trying to avoid the big traffic on the
This one, paneer salmon.
वो था बैग
it's all veg. It's all veg. What veg?
Yeah, this is
Butter chicken.
rajma, kidney beans.
인지드자 콜라 심보 서르다 인지드지 레레치네 코스르
그 짱짱이 서르라
이런 것도 마치 그런데 칼라도 드린 가리 칼라래 나가서 이래
내가 다 자산 뉴초업체 내드래. दी राजमा दाल दी मटर पनीर लोगा मटर पनीर लोगा केला दी राजमा दाल Yeah, I have a green beans, I have a pink.
Pink, I'm waiting for pink.
So for tonight's dinner, the food is donated by a company from Oregon. It's all organically grown fish. All the food that we have is organically grown in Oregon.